Hi, my name is Anjum. Today I'm talking about how to use social media platform to make money. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's talk about the why don't worry about a product first. The beginner have a misconception that if they have to start earn money from social media, they need a product. So what they happen, they do not start the social media because they don't have a product to sell to make a money. The another myth is about that you need a big audience, fans and communities to make money. This is not true. Also, third one is that to start social media, you need a very special equipment, studio for producing video, or other said you have a whole production team. Many people hire employer to, so they have a production team all points, and they need a very clean and a very HD type of videos, but it's not true also. I cover this in my next slides. In a starting beginner, which is good thing about social media, they have a platform for beginners, and to start as a beginner in social media is a good. Now let's talk about 5 ways you can earn money by social media. Number one is if you become an influencer marketing, and second one is produce video content, third one is exclusive content, fourth is promote other products, and 5 is partner with others. Now let's talk one by one. Influence marketing. The influencer basically those people have a social media platform used to influence others. Same they starting with nobody every following, but by spending time, if you go to spending time, then you start initial following, people like you content, people like you and they follow you, and by hard work you make a audience. The influencer get followings. When the influencer get followings, company touch you and you go to company show you, or you can go to your company and show your statistics and get contracts signed. After that you make a contract with them. The contract depend on condition situation. This sometime company what happen, they agreement was 6 months and 3 months, or sometimes they agree a contract on a 1 year. What happen, they give you a monthly salary, and by posting on the platform Instagram, let's suppose example Instagram, to show you using products, giving them review about them, and help to your audience by showing them how beautiful this product and what is the benefit and feature are. The post frequency, it depends upon influencers. Sometimes people want once a week, sometimes influencer post one a month. It depends upon as a influencer what is your strategy around. So you make money by influencer marketing. Second one is monetize your social media channel. Many people know that monetizing means, so let's cover first. Monetizing means earn money from social media account, means that the people or industry pay for you monetize your channel. The people get first audience. What happened, the people get first audience, then find out to where monetize it. First of all, your focus was on building content and building audience. When you get an audience, there's a different way or techniques. People earn money by simple is that you can run ads on your pages, you can add your videos, or you can give a banners. Now give a practical example. There are 3 examples in my mind. I think that social media, YouTube is creating a very good content. If you make a YouTube video, you can monetize and making by displaying at your channel. You see that in YouTube, when you click any video, if they have a monetize, they have a 1 to 2 ads in a starting, sometime in a middle, or sometime they prefer in a last. Second is the Facebook page ad. When you get many followings, after that what you do, you can create a Google AdSense account, and after you Google AdSense, you can take a HTML code from their account and put on your Facebook page, and they show you ad. When the people click on your ad, they can earn money from it. Number 3 is a website as a blogger. This is an old technique. People write, a blogger write content, and mostly if they have any product, they write about the product and they give the link or site, or they also monetize by Google AdSense. So you can both have a way. You can also monetize by Google Ads, or you can also by giving some banners by some other company, and you can earn money. Number 3 is exclusive content. Exclusive content is a new trend in the market. Now people are converting their channel around Patreon. Patreon is a famous technique conversation method. The people are donate their money by Patreon method. That basically what happened, they offer a exclusive video to their only to audience. This is not available to everybody. It's not a free content. This is a special content made for special their audience. Or they what happened, the people pay him for their services. The basically membership model, this is a basically a membership model to make money by don't monetizing by them. Means that they people don't like ad. I hate ads. Every time YouTube show me an ad, I hate it because I don't want to see my ads. But so those people for like that don't want hate ads. They because they interrupt our user experience. So what they do, they make a video pay. So this is make a some situation created how we can make money without it. So this method was introduced. You can pay and don't worry about ads all time. The bid platform, you know that there is a limit is how much ad you run, but sometime when I get to some other low volume website and I see so many ads and click and the link here, link there. So if they say their audience, do you like our content, pay by membership and support us Patreon, so we don't show ad. And many websites are doing this. I see in many websites they give a link on Patreon. They say we don't show you any ad, but if you donate us, it's run for us or it's making happen to website. Number 4 is promote other products. This is why this is I call you that you don't worry about as a product in a beginner. You can sell other people product and generate very good amount of money. The question is why? This is a question I say you, why do you need a product? Because there are ton of good products in the market already. There are people figure out before you. So why do not take advantage of if a good product? You go try their product and suggest your audience. If you genuinely use product and product good, people love it, you also refer to them. By doing this, you can make a money, and many companies give a affiliate model. Affiliate model is you sell other people product. This is affiliate model, promote other products, in which you sign up their account and they get a link. This is affiliate marketing. When you put like example, when you put links on Facebook, Instagram, put in also website, when people click on link and buy a product, you get a commission from it. If you don't need to create your product, going to ship and give a customer service. But the most important point is here to remember, never break trust of your audience to greedy to promote bad product. It's a very short term game. If you go for money in short term, make it, but if you break your trust your audience, you never give back a trust of your audience back. So don't be a greedy. Number 5 is partner with others. Now look now that you don't have a products. Okay, you have a middle or medium or small size of audience. You think it's time to make money some little, so you continue work to give a means that you have an audience. Now you think means I also work hard and now I make some money. So what you can do, you go to other company, you don't have an audience because everybody want an audience, and there you have a company, they have not an audience, they have a product, you have an audience. So what you can do, you go, ask them by partner with them, and what they do, if you sell your product by taking them each commission of 5 to 10%. Mean that if you sell product, they give you a 5 to 10% commission. By selling other product, you get a profit, and company spend money on none money on advertising, and you get pay only product to sell your audience. The good example is share on social media by post or making video, or put Instagram, make it a personal brands. This is a bonus white label. what is a white label? White label is, it is a someone else product sold by using brand or name, or means that you see that there are many company produce massive product also get in by bulk. They also sell white label, means that they give you permission to sell with your own name, because they only want sell product. They don't want to making a brand themselves. You have an audience, you have a influencer, people like you, then you can label your own tag on shoes, t-shirt, and you see that many influencers give away their t-shirt, shoes by using their brand name on it. If you have any question about how to use social media platform to make money or other niche, let me know that. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye.